Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen about the panned window widget in Tkinter. And in today's session, let's move ahead with the canvas widget in Tkinter. So what is this canvas widget? The canvas widget is a rectangular area. So it's basically a rectangular area which helps us to display various graphics on the GUI application. So within this rectangular area, we can create shapes like arcs, lines, polygons, rectangles, oval, and many more. We can also draw graphs in Canvas. So using Canvas widget, we can even draw graphs. So the syntax for the Canvas widget is Canvas, place it in the main window, and it has got various options underneath it. Some of the options are BG, that is the background color of the canvas, width. Since it is in rectangular shape, we have width and height. Width represents the width of the canvas area, height represents the height of the canvas area. And then there are many drawing methods in Canvas. The first one is create oval. So basically it has got 2 points, that is 2 points. Each point has got x and y coordinate. x0, y0 represents 1 point, x1, y1 represents the other point. So with these 2 points, one is at the left topmost corner and the other one is at the bottom rightmost corner. A rectangular box will be created and within that the oval will be fitted. Next is the create arc. Even this has got 2 points, that is x0, y0 is 1 point, x1, y1 is the other point. Then it has got start and extent. From starting what degree it should start and at what degree it should end. Then we have create rectangle which is having 2 points, that is x0, y0 which represents 1 point, x1, y1 which represents another point. The first point is the top left point and the second point is the bottom right point. Then we are having create line. It has got 2 points. So a line will be created based on the 2 points given. Then we have the create polygon which creates a polygon. And now let's look into it practically. So firstly I'm having my main Tkinter window. Then I'm having canvas. It's an identifier equal to canvas. Place it in the main window. Background color I'm giving it equal to blue. Width equal to 300 and height is also equal to 300. So width and height I'm giving it as 300 and the color of my canvas area is blue in color. Now let me place my canvas onto the screen. So canvas 1.pack. So now when I run the code, I'm getting a rectangular area which is blue in color. So this is my canvas area. And on this we can draw different shapes like rectangle, lines, arcs, polygons. So we can draw the different shapes within the canvas area. Firstly, let's go ahead with the arc. Arc 1 is equal to canvas 1 dot create arc, create underscore arc, and I'm placing it within the canvas. So it is canvas 1 dot create arc and the coordinates which I'm giving is 20, comma 20, comma 250, comma 250. So first two coordinates represent 1 point, second two coordinates represent the other point. Then for arc we have to give the start which I'm giving it as 0, starting at 0 degrees, and extent is equal to 150. So it extends till 150 degrees. Then I'm giving it a width of 3, and I'll give it the fill color equal to red. So now when I run my code, I get an arc which is at 0, starting at 0 till extending till 150 degrees, and we get an arc in this particular shape. Now let me give another arc. So let me give it as arc 2 is equal to canvas1 dot create underscore arc, and I'm giving the same coordinates, that is 20, 20, 250, 250, and the start angle for this is equal to from 150 extend till 215, and it is having the extend till 215. Width I'm going to give it as 3, and fill I'm going to give it as green. Now let me run the code. Sorry, it should be fill equal to green. Now when I run the code, I get my second arc which is green in color. First arc was red in color, then the second arc is green in color. So in this way, in the canvas, we can create arcs in this particular manner. So it basically has got coordinates, two points, and each point has got one x coordinate, y coordinate, another point has got x coordinate, y coordinate, start, extend. So these are mandatory. Width and fill we can give it. It's an optional. If we want, we can give those values. So I've created two arcs in this particular manner. Now let's move ahead. Now let's move ahead and create a line. For this, let me give line 1 is equal to canvas1 dot create underscore line. Then I have to give two points. The first point is x coordinate is 100, y coordinate is 200. The second point x coordinate is 200, y coordinate is 35. And I'm giving it a fill equal to yellow, width equal to 10, or let me give it as 5, and dash, it is one of the parameter. In a tuple format, we can give the values 4, 2. 4 is the line pixels and 2 is the space pixels. So it will give it in dash format. So basically it has got 2 points. In each point there is a x coordinate, y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate. Color is yellow for the line. Width is 5 and the dash. So now when I run the code, I get a line in the dashed format. So it is 4 is to 2. 4 is the pixels of the dash and 2 is the space pixels. After creating the line, let me comment it, and now let's go ahead by creating a rectangle. So for this, let me say rect equal to canvas1 dot create underscore rectangle. We have to give 2 points. One is the left topmost point and the other is the bottom rightmost point. So let me give it as 30, 10, 120, 80. For this, let me give an outline. equal to red, so the outline will come in red color. Fill equal to orange, so the orange color will be filled inside the rectangle. And width equal to 5. Now when I run this particular code, I get a rectangle. Outline is red in color because I given outline as red. Fill is orange. Width of the line is 5, and I've created the rectangle. So it requires 2 points. One is the top left point and the other is the bottom right point. Now let me create an oval. Let me comment this. Oval 1 equal to canvas1 dot create underscore oval, and the points for this is 20, 20 x and y coordinate, 90, 90 x and y coordinate of the second point. Outline for this is black, fill equal to green. So now when I run the code, I get a oval and the color is green and the outline color is black. So this is how we can create an arc, create a line, create a rectangle, and create an oval, and we can also create polygons and draw graphs in the canvas area. Hope so friends, it was clear for you. So canvas is basically a rectangular area which helps us to display various graphics on the GUI application. We can draw simple shapes like arcs, lines, polygons, rectangles, oval, and many more. We can also draw graphs in Canvas widget. So hope so friends, it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.